Hello everyone, and welcome back to Loosey Goosey D&D. Today we are, hopefully, concluding my one-shot based in the Owl House. I'm Blizzard, your DM, and our players for today will now introduce themselves. Roll initiative, everyone. Oh no. I guess Tyler will go first then.
Alright, cool. My name is Tyler. I play Tara. No, I don't play Tara. Wait. I play Krystal.
It's tomorrow, you gotta wait for a little bit.
Okay, it's hard. They both start similarly.
Yeah, it's fair.
I also don't remember what voice I did for Krystal last week or whenever we last played, but
I don't even know if she talks.
I did.
Okay.
I just accidentally broke the pop tat off my soda.
Uh-oh.
Oh well.
Tasty. Hey, fun fact, you can use those as buttons in a page. Might as well read off the recap I wrote. That'll buy us time until Sentient something can get back.
Man, we're really bad at names today.
So, when we last left off, your party had just gained 2 other members of the Emperor's Coven to assist you, as well as 3 croissant-selling cats. You had also just successfully killed a mimic, as well as beating the ever-loving daylights out of Flowey. Right now, your characters are continuing along the path to capture the wild witch you were sent after.
Alright, well.
Yeah. I did that and I have still not listened to it yet. The first
Me
parts.
neither.
It'll be time for Jimmy to go.
I didn't expect that. Okay.
Well, do we want to just get on with it? Or do we want to wait for Sentient something, or do we want to just move on and then they can say stuff later?
I think I can speak now. I think they've gone back to bed.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
So, do we just, head to the knee now?
Do we what? Do we do what?
What the plan was from last time.
Oh no, was there a plan?
I think. Wasn't the plan to,
I think there
trap
was.
their house?
Was it?
I think. I'm not sure anymore.
Something like that.
Are we dragging the unconscious bodies of our...
Okay, funny story about that. I'd like you guys to both roll a perception check.
Okay.
Oh god.
Where did I write it down?
Oh man. I don't think I'm gonna pass this, Blizzard.
Oh no.
I rolled an 18.
I rolled a 12.
Okay.
Fun fact, the DC was 8.
Wait, what? I have to find where I wrote down the DC. I don't remember where it was. Okay, so... Krystal, you notice that Joshua and Alfred, are not there anymore. And Flowey has reappeared with an all too innocent look on his face.
Well, in that case,
Oh.
I am going to look back, cast Summon Beast to summon a little thought spirit to go attack Flowey, and then just keep walking.
Hey, what did I ever do to you?
Alright, well, let's keep going.
Actually, let me roll that. I'm gonna see if the cats notice.
Wait, what the? How long has that been there?
How long has what been where?
I just pulled a dryer sheet out of my pant leg.
Okay. So... So two of the cats also notice that the person that they were following has vanished, and they nudge the third one. Hey, I think Joshua's gone. Oh, yeah, what do we do now? I'm great at this. Well, there's no other reason for us to be here, so shouldn't we just... We can just leave. Yeah, it sounds like a good idea. And if none of y'all are gonna do anything, they're just gonna go...
I kept walking, remember?
Yeah. Okay, so... Alright, they have left, I guess. In that case, y'all are gonna keep walking for a while. You do notice it's getting a little bit colder. And in a particularly dark spot of the forest, something steps into the path and bars your way. Could you guys roll me history?
History?
To see if you remember what this is.
Oh.
I got a 9.
I got a 22.
Okay.
Blackout.
What can I say? I have high wisdom. Or not wisdom, intelligence.
Wisdom? Yeah.
I have high wisdom and intelligence.
So, Krystal would recognize this beast as an auklet. You also happen to remember that a live one hasn't been seen in ages, and you only really know what it is from books.
It's a what?
Did I not say? Okay. It's an auklet.
What's that?
I just copied the friggin' okay.
Oh no, just send a picture so I know what I'm looking at.
I don't know if I have it. Oh, I'll just do it, it's fine.
Oh!
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So... this Auklet is going... I don't know if I wrote too much or too little for this. Okay. I would like you all to roll initiative, because this Auklet is walking towards you growling.
5. My first low number of the game, guys.
20. My first high number.
Okay, let's see. Okay. Does this not have an addition for initiative? Whatever. Okay, what did you guys get again?
21.
5.
Okay.
Yes, Krystal.
That's what the name was. So Silvaex will be going first.
Raining, not raining. Can I run at the I don't know how to pronounce it. Ahut?
Yeah,
something like that. And like touch it, and then cast influence.
Yeah, what's your movement speed?
30, I'm assuming. Yeah, 30.
Yeah, that'll work. Okay.
Okay.
Is that a roll to hit or a save?
Save. It's Constitution.
Okay, what happens if you do save?
Well, you take half smack damage. Yeah.
Okay, so the Auklet saves. How much
It's
damage?
a 16.
16 damage? Okay.
No, as in, it's 16 Constitution saving throw.
Yeah, I did. She saved.
And then 30 damage.
Halved?
That's not halved, it's 15 halved.
Okay. Okay. So... it's probably your turn then.
Yeah.
The Auklet is going to turn to you, because you just ran up to her and hit her. And it is going to bite you. I assume a 24 hits your AC.
Yes.
Okay. And then...
Could have cast a different spell. That will be 14 piercing damage. Okay.
Okay, it is your turn next. It is your turn now, Krystal.
Alright. You ready for some dumb stuff?
Oh no.
Yep, I'm casting Summon Beast again. So, Krystal's going to run forward, and the fox that always follows her, Aura, is also going to run up ahead. And she's going to cast Summon Beast. When another fox appears. Both foxes are going to run up and bite the clit.
Okay.
But they both have different... I have to remember how much damage that does. Okay. Is there an ally within 5 feet?
I assume Silvaex is right next to the Aqualet, so if you're...
Okay. Okay, so then... That's that plus... Okay, I gotta do math in my head. Alright.
Oh god.
So the summoned fox does a 7 hit.
No.
Okay.
No, it doesn't.
Then I move over to this screen. And... Okay, so then Aura's hit, which is the more powerful one, does a what's that doing, math? Does a 23 hit.
Yeah.
Okay. And then I'm reading. Okay. So that is 10 damage.
Okay.
And that's my turn.
Okay, so Vix, it's your turn now. Don't remember
Okay,
what this is.
Has the Akha got eyes?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to cast Blur on myself, because then I have some sense of protection, technically. Yeah. It just pretty much makes disadvantage on all attack rolls against me.
That's funny. That's really funny. Okay. Okay, is that a bonus action or is that your whole turn?
I'm assuming that's my whole turn if I can't do anything else with, but I genuinely don't know. I think that's my action. Wait, actually, hang on. I think I can cast something as a bonus action.
Okay.
I just need to figure out what that something is. Hang on. Screw it. I'm gonna cast Sanctuary against myself.
What does that do?
So, okay, so, until the spell ends, any creature who targets me, with an attack roll or damaging spell, must succeed on a wisdom saving throw, or choose a different target, and it doesn't work, and, yeah.
Okay.
But the spell ends if I attack or cast a spell or deal damage. Which, yeah. And the wisdom saving throw is 16.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, it's so hard to think of what my turn's gonna be, because I have 3 different people to think about what I'm gonna do with.
Okay, so it is now the Aqua's turn, and she is going to target you with both her tail attacks, Krystal. Okay. Is it 7 hit?
No.
I assume a 7 doesn't hit, okay. So with the second one, she happened to roll a natural 1, so I'm gonna say that she accidentally whacks herself in the face with it. With her tail. And so she's going to do that, and then what you think it's glaring. She's gonna sort of glare at Krystal like you did something.
What did I do?
Okay, so now it's your turn, Krystal.
Can I make a animal handling check?
What are you trying to do?
I don't know, make an animal handling check?
But what are you trying to do with her?
I don't know.
Just calm her down?
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Okay, you're gonna do that at disadvantage.
That's fair. Okay. At disadvantage, you got a 16.
Okay.
Animal handling's my best thing.
Yeah, so Ridge is...
Oh.
No! I didn't say anything.
Interesting.
So the Aqua, is now less likely to target you. Is that gonna be your whole turn? Wait, did my... Ah, dang it.
It's now time for bed.
Come on.
Hello?
Okay, there we go.
Oh, there. I can hear you now.
What was the last thing I said?
I think it was less likely to target you now.
Yeah.
No, and then you said, "Is that all your turn?"
Yeah.
And I said no.
Okay.
So
that
now
means...
Aura's gonna attack.
Oh, right.
So I have to. Okay. So that. So this. Then I add that number. Okay. So does a 20 hit?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Cool. Then I roll that. Alright, 11 damage.
Okay.
Now for the second one. And this is made at advantage. Alright, cool. What's 18 plus 6?
24.
Okay, does 24 hit?
Yeah, it does hit.
Okay, great. So that is 14 damage.
Okay. Okay. Then that means...
These little foxes are vicious.
Yeah, they are. I'm gonna have to do something with them. That means it's Silvaex's turn next.
Okay, so why is the Akka less likely to attack Tyler? Or Tyler's character?
Because Krystal succeeded on an animal handling roll to... Well, the goal was to calm it down, but this Aquat's on a mission, so it's not exactly gonna do that.
Okay, I'm gonna influence the actor further to only target me. I'm gonna fulfill my role as the tank who has no armor.
Okay. See, what would you roll for that?
I don't think it requires a roll, because technically it aligns with what the creature wants or would want to do. So it's willing.
Okay.
So yeah. Big brain.
I see. Okay. We'll say that's a bonus action.
I don't think I can really do anything else as an action.
Okay. So it's her turn again. So she's going to target one of the foxes.
Oh no, which one?
Just persuaded them to attack me. Oh, for crying out loud.
Okay, I'll roll.
One of the...
I'll roll, I'll make it fair.
One of those foxes has a lot more sentimental value to Krystal than the other. Which one are you attacking?
Okay,
one of them has a name, the other doesn't.
I'm rolling. Okay, so it is gonna attack Silvaex.
Yeah, let's go.
She is going to attempt to hit your arm. It's a 9 hit.
Isn't it disadvantage too?
Wait,
it's
is
on
it?
disadvantage.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's on disadvantage, and you
Okay,
have
well,
to
the
pass
second
a
one I got
16
was in that
wisdom
20, so
saving
it's a
throw.
9 hit.
No.
Okay. Okay, I guess it's Krystal's turn again.
I'm going to stab it twice.
Okay.
Does a 13 hit?
No.
Okay. Does a 14 hit?
No.
Alright. Krystal has not done a single bit of damage yet. Anyway, on to the main attraction. So we roll that. Alright, nat 20.
For what?
For Aura. Attacking.
Oh, okay.
Well, it's not that bad. Yeah, it's just 1d8 plus 5. So I just rolled 2d8s and had 10.
Wait. No, you didn't say that 20, okay.
So yeah, only 21 damage.
Okay. And the other one?
Alright, on to the second fox. This is gonna be an advantage. Alright. Does a 20 hit?
Yes, the 20 hits.
Okay. So that's another 11 damage.
Okay. Means it's Silvaex's turn again.
How much HP does this thing have?
I've just realised something.
That's a
I can attack and then recast Sanctuary in the same turn because it's a bonus action.
My goodness.
So,
Do you have enough spell slots to do that?
Yes. I'm going to... Wait, hang on. The Akka... I feel like the Akka had really high constitution. And I reckon it will have lower dexterity. So... Okay, I'll try to... I'm gonna cast Burning Hands. And attempt... yeah.
Okay, what's the save for that?
So... 16 dexterity.
Okay, so she evades your burning hand.
Flip's sake. Oh, okay, it's still 3d6. I think. Wait, hang on, is it? Yeah. Well, hang on, brain not braining. They take 12 damage. Still.
Okay.
And I cast Sanctuary again, because it's funny.
Oh, come on. Okay. So, the Aqua whacks herself in the face again, accidentally.
How much HP does this thing have?
Probably quite a lot.
Like, now that I've heard the name of the atlet, I know that it's very emotional, like, support animal atlet. Or, I don't know.
Okay.
Very important atlet.
What's the AC of the foxes?
They have different AC, I gotta go check.
Okay, what about the one of Aura specifically?
Aura?
Target me!
It's 16. Aura has an AC of 16.
Okay. So the Aquat's gonna slam Aura into a tree with her tail.
What?
And Aura's gonna take 10 bludgeoning damage.
Oh.
Okay, now it's Krystal's turn.
Yeah, Chris. I can play this off as roleplay and make it better too.
Oh.
So first I'm gonna cast Bloodletter.
Oh no.
Make a Constitution save, please.
Okay. I got a 16.
Dang it.
Ha. Did it do anything?
No, I'm reading through it. Wait. Yeah, it... Well, actually, wait, no, I misread it. Okay. So... Okay. So I'm gonna make an attack. And then, if I hit, then it has to make a Constitution save. Does 16 hit?
Yep.
Okay. Then, so you pass that Constitution save. I'll just... Since I misread it.
Okay. Oh, come on, not again.
Hello?
Yeah, Discord bug died again.
Oh.
So what's happening?
So I hit with the rapier. I'm just gonna say that the atlet passes the Constitution check because you already made the Constitution. But then, so 8 damage from the rapier.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna attack again. Okay, so I'm assuming it's 17 hits then, right?
Mm-hmm.
If it's 16 did. Okay, so then make another Constitution save.
18.
Dang, that's like my favorite spell that I have, and you just bypassed it both times. But anyway, 14 damage. And then we move over to the other fox. 14.
Hold on, how much damage? 14?
14.
Okay, how do you want to do this?
Oh, did I kill it?
Yeah, you killed her.
Oh no. I didn't want to kill her.
Hey, at least I wasn't. The prophecy was wrong. I mean, you don't have to if you don't want to.
I'll just say I knocked her out.
Hey,
I don't want to kill her. I just hit her in the head with the hilt of my sword.
Okay. And then the Auklet goes down in the middle of the path. And you have successfully beat the first actual fight I played. First fight I actually planned.
Krystal's immediately gonna run over to Aura.
Okay.
And make sure that she is okay.
I don't know how much health Aura has, so
Should I
probably.
remind you? Should I remind you I'm a cleric?
Yeah, and I'm a ranger. I can heal too.
Oh, right.
Fair enough.
I mean, if you want to heal, I'll gladly let you heal. You can probably heal a lot better than I can, but...
Yeah, sure. I'll... How hurt are they?
10 damage.
Aura has... No, just Aura took damage before, I think, too. Because Aura has 35 health total, but is only on 19 right now.
Okay.
I'll cast Cure Wounds on them, then.
Alright.
So that's 24 heal.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
Yeah, it's a
That's
lot.
back up to full
That
HP.
was second level, by the way. You know, I can cure a lot. Like, I can cure 68 plus 5.
Wow.
Dang.
Yeah, so,
I don't think I can do that much.
Wait, how big is how big are the foxes? Are they like fox
I don't
size or
know.
are they small?
They're foxes. I don't know. How big is a fox?
I don't know, like a cat?
That's
Fox.
just,
Bigger than a cat. They're
yeah,
just
bigger than a cat,
like
but
dog-sized.
they're like a dog.
Okay. So Aura's gonna stand up again and nudge your hand, letting you know she's alright.
Yippee. Can we take a brief pause in the recording? Real quick?
Yes, I can do that.